Understanding encroachment. Encroachment occurs when a property owner violates the property rights of a neighbor by building a structure or extending a feature onto the neighbor's land without legal permission. This process typically begins with an inaccurate land survey or a misunderstanding of property boundaries defined in the deed. Common examples include the construction of fences, sheds, or driveways that cross the established property line by several inches or feet. Because real estate is defined by precise coordinates, even a minor intrusion constitutes a legal infringement on the title of the adjacent land. Over time, these physical intrusions can complicate property transfers and create significant legal liabilities for both parties involved. The operation of encroachment is categorized into minor and major infractions based on the permanence and scale of the structure. Minor encroachments often involve temporary or easily movable objects, such as overgrown hedges or portable garden structures, which can be addressed through simple removal. Major encroachment involves permanent fixtures like building additions, structural foundations, or paved areas that require significant labor to relocate. In many cases, encroachment is unintentional, resulting from the homeowners relying on visual landmarks rather than professional stakes. However, regardless of the intent, the physical presence of the structure creates a cloud on title, preventing the rightful owner from exercising full control over their designated acreage. Encroachment significantly disrupts the marketability of a property during a real estate transaction. When a buyer's lender requires a new survey, the encroachment is officially documented, often leading to a refusal of title insurance coverage for that specific area. This discovery can stall or terminate a sale because the buyer cannot receive a clear title, and the lender perceives the boundary dispute as a financial risk. Furthermore, the presence of an encroaching structure can decrease the appraised value of the servient estate by reducing usable square footage. To resolve these issues, owners must often negotiate boundary line adjustments or formalize the intrusion through a written easement agreement. If left unaddressed, encroachment can evolve into the permanent loss of property rights through the legal doctrine of adverse possession. If an individual occupies a portion of another land openly, notoriously, and continuously for a period defined by applicable statutes, they may eventually claim legal ownership of the land. To prevent this, property owners must take active steps, such as sending formal notices to vacate or filing a quiet title action in court. Courts typically evaluate these cases by considering the cost of removing the structure versus the degree of harm caused to the neighbor. While a court may order the total removal of the encroachment, it may also grant a prescriptive easement, allowing the structure to remain while requiring the encroacher to compensate the original owner. For more informative videos on real estate matters, we welcome you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.